Welcome to this YouTube SEO course, and this video is going to be the 5th lecture of this course. And in this video I'm going to talk about click-through rate. So let's get started. Here you can see I have impressions, views from impressions. So these are the things I'm going to talk about. So what's impressions? Impressions means let's say you can see here 31,000 impressions. That means this particular video of mine is shown 31,000 times on different devices. That means the thumbnail and the title of this video is shown 31,000 times on different devices. But after that video is shown on the devices, number of people or the number of times the video is clicked is 2.9k. That means about 3,000 times. So this is what click-through rate is. You can see here 9.2 click-through rate. To see it clearly, I'll take you to this screen. Okay, 32.3k impressions, and click-through rate is 9.3%, and views 3.7 thousand. So that's how click-through rate works. When you get 3,000 views, it doesn't mean that people have seen your video just 3,000 times. Okay, the reality is here in this thing, impressions. People have seen your video, or not, let's not say video, but the thumbnail of your video, thumbnail and the title of your video 32,000 times, but they have clicked only 3,000 times. So that's why the click-through rate is 9.3%. For different videos, the click-through rate is different. Some videos may get 10% click-through rate, some may get 15 or even 20%, and some of the videos may get just 3 or 4% click-through rate. So what's the cause behind that? So let me explain here. The most important thing you want to focus on to improve or increase your click-through rate is thumbnail plus title. Your thumbnail and title should be attractive in order to improve your click-through rate. So whenever people see the thumbnail, they should be convinced that that's the video they want to see or they want to watch. So the first thing is thumbnail. Whenever someone opens the YouTube app or the YouTube website, they're gonna see the thumbnail first. So your thumbnail should be good enough to attract your viewers. And second important thing is title. Your title should be clear enough for them to understand and for them to decide that this is the right video, this is the video they're looking for. Then they'll click the video and your click-through rate will increase or improve. So that's how click-through rate works. So why is this click-through rate important? I think I don't need to explain it, but still it's important because you can see here 32,000 people have already seen the thumbnail, but only 3.7k people have watched it. That means a lot of people have not clicked the video because they think this video is not what they want to watch. So if you are able to improve this click-through rate, more of the people gonna watch your video. That means if you can improve this 9.3% to, let's say, 15%, this number of views is gonna turn from 3.7k to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. It increases. Okay, so that will definitely help you in growing your YouTube channel, and ultimately ranking your videos on search results, because a lot of people are clicking on your video, so YouTube will think that your video is helpful, and YouTube should rank your video on top when people search for certain keywords. So that's how click-through rate works, and that's why you should focus on increasing or improving your click-through rate. So two main things here are thumbnail and title. Make good thumbnail and keep your title clear and understandable, very to the point. Okay, so that's how you improve or increase your click-through rate. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.